Guess where we are right now?
I forgot what it's called.
We're headed to New Orleans and we're gonna check out the French Quarter today, and it is pouring rain. Now, we've heard about it before. We've heard of Bourbon Street. It was on The Amazing Race not too long ago. So we definitely had to check out that and see what was going on. We're gonna have fun no matter what. Now we're turning on to Bourbon. This is Bourbon Street.
Oh, we're on Bourbon Street.
I just love these like porches. It was so cool. We're at the French Quarter. About to explore the great world of Louisiana.
New Orleans.
New Orleans. That's where we're at. Guess where we are right now?
I forgot what it's called.
We're at the French Quarter.
French.
Tell Jennifer what state we're at.
What state?
Louisiana.
Wow, that was very good. Very clear. Sienna, you say what state we're in.
What?
Say Louisiana.
Louisiana.
Good girl.
My thought is go to and then we end at Cafe Beignet.
Sweet. Sounds good.
Sounds good to me. And we were just hoping and praying that it would stay dry for us. And it did, and it didn't. At the beginning, it was pretty dry, and then as we kept going, it got rainier and rainier. What is it? What is that?
Whoppers.
A horse?
Yeah.
That is so cool.
No. How we make money.
Oh, so what are you doing?
Lassie. How we wait for our money.
And the kids knew that we were going to get beignets at the end of our walk, and so they were very excited throughout the course of our walk. You follow him. You follow him. Did your shoe come off? Oh, don't sit on the wet ground. He's so cute. How'd you get to be so cute? What are you guys doing?
Looking at this.
Looking at the dirt? Oh. Oh, it is starting to rain.
I wonder how much they are.
I don't know, Sienna wants some now.
I know.
And we got a necklaces. Grayson got it. Skeleton got it. Butterfly. Evelyn got a monkey, and Kylie got rubber ducky.
Hey!
Evelyn.
And when we finally got towards the end, then it was just pouring rain. So Austin and Grammy ran to go get beignets for everyone, and everyone else headed to the car.